Hello, this is Janet ng Pinoy Cooking Recipes. Let's make banana loaf bread with streusel crumb topping. Soft and moist with light and buttery cinnamon crumb. Let's begin! In a large bowl, combine 1 and 1/2 cups all-purpose flour, 3/4 cup sugar, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon salt. Then, add 1/2 cup evaporated milk, 1/4 cup unsalted butter melted, 1 whole egg, and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Stir well to combine. Add 1 cup mashed banana. Stir until just combined. Transfer the mixture into a greased loaf pan. Now let's prepare the crumb topping. In a small bowl, combine 1/4 cup brown sugar, 1 tablespoon all-purpose flour, and 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon powder. Add 1 tablespoon unsalted butter. Then cut in with forks or pastry cutter. Then sprinkle the streusel on top of the batter. I added some walnuts. You can also use pecans or peanuts if you like. Bake in a preheated oven 350 F 176C for about 1 hour or until the middle part is no longer gooey. Let cool completely. More recipes at PinoyCookingRecipes.com.